I'll need 60 cheeseburgers, and then do you want anything? What's up, guys? Today I'm heading over to pick up Alex. We're gonna go over and check out our friend Lance's new project. Probably give him a hand pulling the engine out of that. So let's get into it.
What up?
Ready to go?
Yeah, let's get after it.
I need some food first. Bikes come by and they're at the stop sign and there's like like all the guys are actually making the noises like with the bikes and them doing and yeah, like the one scene is like they're at a restaurant and the one biker walks into the bathroom. There's like a guy here and a guy here. He steps in the middle one and he's like starts peeing and he's like
What's going on, man?
Good to see you again.
Yeah, been a little while.
Welcome to my pad.
So this is them.
This is the gonna be the pissed off demon ranger. Call it Taz.
Fitting. Very fitting.
Yep.
So this is Lance. This is his Ranger. Today we're gonna be pulling the motor and trans out. And why don't you tell them a little bit about what's going into it?
This is my 96 Ford Ranger. We're gonna be putting LS out of Silverado and a 4L60E, and we'll just be putting that in for now, and then eventually it will be cammed and single turboed.
All right.
Motor mounts, gotta pull the trans first.
Manual trans?
Yep, manual trans. I blew the clutch out of it, got it stuck, blew the clutch out of it.
So what Lance is doing right now, he's grinding down bolts for the cross member so that it comes out easier, and then we'll drop the trans after that.
And cue the grinding montage.
What? Rangers, they cut them off here and here and put it in between the frame rails, and then put the mount for the trains right back where it was. They come forward to the gearbox when they flip the headers forward and down.
Yeah.
Because I've seen them flip forward and up, which I have a problem with the burning of the wires problem. So if you flip it forward and down, if I have enough room to come out, and then it'll be already set up for turbo when I go to do the turbo.
Yeah.
Because it'll already be aimed forward. And then the exhaust, when I do the exhaust, will come out, go turn down, go under, make 2 U's right here in the middle, and then go out with mufflers right out by the bumper.
Yeah.
So you have your X pipe in the middle, and go out to the bumper and have your exhaust out front. And then when I go to turbo, then I just need to make the turbo kit because the headers are already, or the manifolds are already facing forward.
Right.
And then there's going to be a big basketball right here. Just single or
Single. Figure 78 millimeter, 76, 78, and then I was planning on doing the go from here, and then I'll come over here to the intercooler, the water to air intercooler, and then run the pipe up for the right to the intake.
She's gonna be one bad lad, you know.
Keep her shitty looking, keep it,
Sleeper.
yeah. And then when I do the wiring harness, I'm gonna either mount the computer over there on the firewall or put it inside. Don't know what I'm gonna do yet as far as that goes.
Almost like in the glove box type deal. Or?
Yeah, behind the glove box almost. Yeah, and then the fuse block and everything for the standalone LS stuff will be back there too.
They make, I think there's a couple people that make really nice like boxes that you can put
The fuse blocks or for the ECMs.
For the ECMs, so I think you can just put that
outside.
You can either mount it like right here or mount it on the inside. I think I'm gonna probably on the 240 mount mine somewhere up.
Yeah, I figured if I could run it inside, let it clean up the wiring a little bit as far as running it inside, and then I'll mount the fuse block for all the LS stuff over there also, so everything will be, and then I'm gonna try to tie in the OBD2 class 2 into the factory harness, so I can still use only one connector for the OBD2 because it's already there.
Right.
Instead of having to buy a connector and wire it in over here, so you
Because that's where my, like with my wiring specialties one, it's like right
puts it over there.
Yeah, it's got just like a little OBD2 clip.
Right next to it.
Yeah.
Like right next to the connector.
I think you might be able to run it over, but I didn't even try. I was just like, it can all stay right there.
Oh, that bolt wanted to stay in there. Jesus.
They usually do when they have this much rust underneath them.
Yeah, she's a little rusty. Not horrible.
I mean, it's
I've
Michigan.
seen worse.
It's Michigan. I've seen
And
way
it
worse.
drove. The floor pans are actually solid until I drove it for a winter.
There's a common theme with Michigan vehicles. Hey Lance, I can see you through your floor.
You're fine.
You filming, me filming, you filming, me filming, you. What are we doing?
Lighting stuff on fire. So Lance is burning stuff, so
Before you guys got here,
I found this fire extinguisher just in case it goes south. Don't know if it works or not. Hey, you're a little dirty.
Just a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
So trans is out.
It's just doing board things. There's no heads on the bolts, so you can't take them off. You know how Harbor Freight had the recall on the jack stands?
Is that what we're using?
Yeah, we're using Harbor Freight jack stands. Don't know, haven't never checked the numbers and see if they're actually the ones that are in the recall, but that's what we're using.
Alright. I also like to live dangerously. Got the Ranger turned around so that we didn't have to use the engine hoist on. That's cool.
hot.
I missed it, man.
Do it again?
Yeah, do it again.
Can you grab that hot nut again?
No, the socket. The socket's hot.
So it does it again.
Okay.
That is good as new right there, let me tell you.
High quality. Just come over and destroy the place, why don't you?
Plastic.
See, if I would've, if I wasn't just basically street driving mine, I would've done it out the hood. You're gonna be like drag racing this.
No, it'll be street driven too. They'll still have lights and stuff on it.
Lights and stuff.
You're gonna have blinkers.
You don't need blinkers. Blinkers are for rich people. Except for BMW owners.
Got that right, buddy.
They have them. They have the luxury of having blinkers, but they just don't use them.
Well,
That is exactly it right there. Got no engines, do we, Ted? Got no engines.
What do you think it lands?
50 Alright. Engine and trans are out. So we're gonna call that a day. And we'll see you in the next one.